Hey guys, Thomas Baca, barber, back with another scissor review. This is going to be the unboxing of these swords that I got. I'm going to tell you guys right now about them. And these are the sword D17, and these are going to be in Damascus Steel. Guys, why is it important to have a pair of good scissors? I mean, for many different reasons. These ones are really good, and these are really high-end. And watch, look, I'll tell you guys really quick. These are the Dama 05s. These are only $1,600. And let me just read this to you real quick. Sword D05 Damascus D17 blade for precision within the sword series. Blacksmithing with Mizutani Scissors started in 1921. We are first a sword and now a scissor manufacturing company. We have always been the first to innovate a design, and our team at the factory continues day in and day out to research and develop tools for our artists' community preferences. So they're developing tools, that all the artists like. Let's see, D05 is built in Damascus as its building material. The handle is made with cobalt. Watch. We'll pull them. Let's talk about them first, and then we'll pull them out. Let's talk about them, then we'll pull them out. The D05 is built Damascus as its building material. So these are built with Damascus. The handle is made with Cobalt Alloy in Mizutani's golden standard building material to make room for cushion in your pocket, all while enjoying the cutting experience of Dama CMC powdered metal series. And it's Cobalt Alloy Extramarise. And the design note, the shear blade is made entirely of Damascus steel. Our Damascus, also known as wootz metal, WOOTZ metal, is 32-fold layered iron and steel with coal forged in a temperature-reduced environment called quenching. This process is what makes the watermark patterning throughout this masterpiece. See about, they're available in Lefty as well, guys. Let's get right to the shears so you could see them. Guys, these are the scissors right here. And this is, I'm going to show you what they come with real quick. There's a little hang tag right here. See that? And then it says Sword Dama 05 6.7s. So instead of, my recommendation for a barber is either 6.7 or 6.2. If you're doing a lot of shear over comb, 6.7 will work. That's how I got these ones in. If you want to use them for everything, and you might even cut women, 6.2 will work. This is the leather, shield that they come in. You guys have seen those before. Let's see what else is in the box. A little manual for Mizutani Scissors. So that comes in there. A little card that tells you about the scissors. That comes in there. This is the box on the inside. And the hang tag goes back in here. That's the box. This is this. Now let me show you the scissors. These are them right here. Sword D17. So what they meant about their Damascus all the way up to here. So they're Damascus all of here. So any cutting point that you're using to cut the client, you're getting Damascus. And then where you get to save a buck is if you don't want them in full Damascus, this right here is that cobalt metal. And so that's kind of cool. You get to hold on to the cobalt, and then you get to cut with the Damascus for $1,400. If you want to spend $2,700, you can cut with all of it being in Damascus. And so these are very, very cool. They have this right here that, so this right here will tighten and loosen it. It's a screw. I kind of like those traditional ones that you don't have to use the tool. They're really, really nice. I find that they never have an issue. This is not nano powdered metal, but again, it's Damascus. So what's the difference between the Damascus and the nano powdered metal? The nano powdered metal grips it really, really good. Not to say that this can't, but the nano powdered metal really grips it to where you can cut, you know, various directions. This one right here is a very crisp, matter-of-fact cut. So just another very beautiful cut. Great pair of all-around scissors. These are the Sword D17s. These are absolutely amazing. So guys, these are them. I like them a lot. I haven't used them a lot, but you know, who knows? I might start using them. I like them a lot. I think they're really, really good. I love the Sword D17 because they're affordable. So if you get these in non-Damascus, I think they're like $900. And they're the scissor I started off with. Just the overall feel of them, the construction, the design. You could spin them. You can. I mean, you can't lose with these ones. These are absolutely amazing. Get it. If you're a barber, get them in 6.2 or 6.7. And I have them in 6.7. You can get them in any size you want. These are absolutely amazing. I'll review another scissor tomorrow, and that's it for these ones, guys. If you guys want to buy them, reach out to me. Go to Instagram, Thomas Baca Barber. Send me a direct message. Message me on here. Call the shop 505-508-4578. The area code is 505. The number is 508 and then 4578. And then, yeah. And so you can reach us on Instagram again. Everything's Thomas Baca Barber. And guys, if you guys like the video, please subscribe to the channel and like and maybe leave a comment. And guys, hey, I appreciate you guys. Until next time.